The greater the difference between the situation after the expectation is fulfilled and the previous expectation, the greater the trend force generated. This problem is actually also reflected in interpersonal relationships. Everyone may have this impression. If a person leaves a particularly good impression on you at the beginning, your beautiful expectations are very high, but once you find that this person has obvious shortcomings or problems are exposed, you may suddenly make a 180-degree turn. Is this the actual situation caused by your expectations? The contrast is too great, but having said this, I must emphasize one point. If you are really in such a state, that is, when your initial impression of a person is particularly good, your expectations of this person are very, very good, and when this person shows some negative situation, your opinion of him will turn around, then you must reflect on your own problems. This shows that your perspective on the problem is very one-sided and has great flaws. The problem lies in your way of thinking. Due to the influence of the traditional highly distorted black and white factors, more than 99.9% of Chinese people have this kind of thinking defect. We should be mentally prepared for anyone, that is to say, everyone has a good side and shortcomings. This is basic human nature. If you can measure this person with a normal mind from the good impression at the beginning to the exposure of his shortcomings, then you have truly achieved this state. In this state of normal mind, you have returned to the height of rational expectations, and your emotions will not be so easily affected by others, and will not be easily fluctuated by external influences. At this time, your thinking will slowly adjust.